Introducing the Zebra GK420T printer. This is a 4-inch wide desktop printer designed to print a low volume of labels per week, a maximum of approximately 1,000 labels. It prints in both direct thermal mode, which is without a ribbon, and thermal transfer mode, which is with a ribbon for durability. Today I'm going to be showing you how to load the labels and ribbons into the printer. First, what you want to do is push these two teal buttons forward to open the lid of the printer. Then you want to adjust the width of this part here to fit the core of your labels. And you can do that by using the thumb roll here. Then what you want to do is insert the labels onto the core holders and make sure the labels sit under these tabs here. Next, when loading the ribbon, you want to ensure that the shiny side is facing up and the matte side is facing down, and that these notches here line up with the notches on the wheels on the left side here. When loading the ribbon, it's easier if you load the right side first, as this is spring loaded, and then remembering to match up the notches with the wheel on the left side. And doing the same for the top. You just want to make sure that you hear a little click when the notch is loading. And first doing the right side, and then hearing the click for the left side. And you can close the lid, turn on your printer, and wait for a green light. And then just gently pressing the feed button to run a test.